Hello guys, Hamza here from GFR group of traders. I am back again with another YouTube video. In this video, I am going to talk about the fair value gap. The second name is imbalance. How to trade imbalance, how to find imbalance, and what is the actual meaning of imbalance in forex market. As we know, there are billion traders are selling and buying in forex market in different pairs and currencies at the same time. We can say if a million trader are selling a currency in the same time, another million traders are buying that currency as well. So in the meaning of balance is the balance between the buyers and sellers in forex market. If any scenario their balance will be disturbed from because of anything, so that will be our imbalance in market. So how we predict that imbalance in forex market, we will talk about in this video. So let's begin our video. Here are two scenarios in front of you guys. So let's talk about this scenario for now. So here is a bundle of candle in front of you guys. So in this video I will teach you how we can find the imbalance in market, like how we can say here is the imbalance in the traders, buyers and sellers. For this we need to focus in the candlestick pattern, like the price action. If is there any imbalance in any point, market needs to fill that imbalance quickly, and then market will break the major structure as well. Mostly we can find the imbalance in our POIs, like our order blocks or any support and resistance or any supply and demand. The different traders are using different strategies, so this imbalance will help you to find your POIs. So if we focus on this scenario, in this whole picture we can see here is our first candle. We will consider is our one candle, the second candle will be our F candle, the third candle will be our R candle. So how we can find the imbalance? The matter is that for this we need to mark the high and lows of our candles. This is our high, this is our low. This is our high of F candle, this is our low of the same F candle. The high of third R candle, the low of third R candle. Here is the high and here is the low. So these all are highs and lows of all candles. For example, for finding the imbalance, we need to find one candle. We will take the one candle low and the third candle high. If one candle low and third candle high will cover the body of the second candle, that is our F candle. If G candle body low and the F candle high will cover the body of F candle, so that there will be no imbalance. There will be a balance between the buyers and sellers. So in the second case, if market will not cover the body, if the one candle and third candle wicks will not cover the body of the second candle, so there will be imbalance like this. So let me mark this one. Here is our low of our one candle, the high of our R candle. So this whole area will be our imbalance. You can check here, there is no wick of one candle or the third candle. So this whole area is our imbalance. So what market needs to do? The question is that, so market needs to take small retracement. While will come in that area, the imbalance will be filled from this point. Then market will take some order blocks or can directly follow from this area. So same thing we will follow in the second phase as well. So this is our first candle and this is our second candle, the third candle high, the first candle low. This is our first candle low, the third candle high. So this whole area will be our imbalance. So market needs to cover that imbalance as well. So in second scenario, this is our second scenario. We will talk about this one now. So in this phase, we have these the bundle of candles here. We can first of all we will mark the highs and lows of the candles as well. Here is our high. Here is our high of F candle. Here is our low of F, the same F candle, the high, the low, and the high, the low, the high, the low, and this high and this low. So here is our highs and lows of our bundle of candles. So we need to find the imbalance now. First of all, if this candle low will be inner than this candle low, so there will be no imbalance. So we can say this is imbalance. This is our not a valid imbalance, because these all candles are in the body, or you can say in the shadow of this G candle. The FRS candle are in the shadow of G candle. If market will now market have clearly break the previous candle low, so these all candles have their own values. So for finding imbalance, we need to find our three candles. We can say S candle is our first candle, M candle is our second candle, and C candle is our third candle. So as we talked about before, we need to take the low of our first candle and the high of our third candle, so that whole area will be our imbalance. Some traders will take the imbalance from this point. Some traders will catch the imbalance from this point. Why they mark the imbalance from this point? There is some logic as well. You can see here, S candle is totally in the shadow of R candle. That means S candle don't have their own value. Like you can say this is a father of S candle. S candle is a son of R candle, so the sun have no value. But if S candle high or low will break the shadow of R candle, then we mark the imbalance from this point. Then our imbalance will be from this point to this point. So we have another scenario as well. You can see here, this is if the market will close, this candle low will be here. Let me mark this candle as well. This candle low is here, this candle high is here. You can see here, this candle, and this candle, all three candles have closed in the G candle shadow. That means they don't have their own value. If you will see that kind of structure in your chart, you need to find imbalance like this. You need to take the low from this point and high will be this point, so that whole will be your imbalance. In that case, this will be your imbalance. This will be your imbalance. So I hope the imbalance, how to find the imbalance, have this topic will be clear for everyone. So let me move on the chart so we can discuss the same thing in our chart as well. So if we see here, the same structure is here. We have zoomed in. Now we can see here, this is our first candle, like this is our first candle. This is our second candle, like this. The third candle is here, like this one. So how to find the imbalance? We will find we will follow the same structure as well here now. So we will take the low of our first candle, we will take the high of our third candle. So in second candle we will have the imbalance like this. So let me clear this one. If we see here, in this scenario, at this scenario you can check You can check, you can take the low of the first candle and take the high of the third candle, so that will be your imbalance. We will follow the same scenario here, the low of our first candle and the high of our third candle, that is your imbalance. In this scenario you can check, here is our low of your first candle, the high of your third candle, so that whole zone will be your imbalance. So the second question is that how to trade the imbalance. Now we have just learned the how we can find the imbalance in market. Now we can see here, here is our imbalance, here is our second imbalance, here is your imbalance, here is your imbalance, here is your short imbalance as well, here is your imbalance, here is your imbalance point, here is your imbalance. So everywhere is imbalance in forex market. Let me find some live structure for you guys, so you can learn how we can catch the sniper entries while using the imbalance theory. So in this example, you can see here is our starting point, here is our last high. First of all we need to confirm our high, so high will be confirmed when our market will take the inducement here. Here was our last pullback. At this point here was our last pullback. Whenever market have take the low of the pullback, our high was confirmed here. Whenever we have confirmed our high, so here is we find our breakout of structure here. Here is our change of character. So this is our change of character. After change of character we need to find the imbalance in our whole swing move. This was our low. Our low is confirmed whenever market have take the IDM liquidity here. Here was our last pullback. So where is imbalance? You can find, you can say here is imbalance. No, there is not imbalance. Here is the first candle low and the third candle high. Here was your imbalance. That was the half imbalance was covered from this high and the whole imbalance was covered from this high. So here was your point of interest, here was your inner order block. You can say the point of interest that have their imbalance, that will be valid point, no matter this is your internal order block or your external point of interest, no matter. So here will be your entry and your take profit will be below, as you can find your target as well. So in the second scenario, here is your breakout of structure as well. After checking the breakout of structure, we need to confirm our low. Here was our last low. The low was confirmed when our market have take the IDM liquidity here. Here was last IDM. So we need to find the imbalance now. In whole swing we can find, here was our imbalance. The second imbalance was here, that is covered from this area. This high has successfully filled imbalance. Imbalance was filled from this high. Now we need to find the imbalance in this area now. Here was our last imbalance that market have just covered. As I said before, here was your point of interest. All point of interest will be valid that have the imbalance area. Here was your second entry. The SL will be up from the last high and your target take profit will be, as you can find. Now this was your another breakout of structure. Here was your breakout of structure. So in breakout of structure, here was your imbalance. The second imbalance was here, that is almost covered. Your entry point was from this order block and take profit was as long as you want. But market have just break out our, we have now change of character as well. We can find our same scenario in the coming season as well. You can see here was your last imbalance as well. At this area your imbalance Sorry, this was our point. Here was your imbalance. The imbalance is just covered from this swipe, and your point of interest was here. Here was your extreme order block that market have take, and your take profit was long, as long as you want. You can see this was our 30-minute time frame entry. Here was your imbalance with the imbalance point of, here was your entry, and your take profit was the last low. Here was your take profit, and it's successfully mitigated your take profit. In the second scenario, you can check here, if you will take that high to that low as a swing, the low is confirmed from this high. Whenever market have take the ideal liquidity, the low will be confirmed here. So your imbalance is at this point. This is your imbalance. The second imbalance is here. The all lower imbalances already filled from the market. So you can say the market, the second target will be like this. You can say, for example, you can say if you will buy here, the SL will below from that point, and your target will be the imbalance that is still not filled from the market. Because as I said, market needs to fill the imbalance quickly as they can. So this is the whole topic was about the imbalance. This is the secret of imbalance, how the advanced traders are following this structure in their chart scenario. So hope this video will be very informative for all of you guys. For more videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you can get the notification from our upcoming videos. For any kind of paid services, you can contact us on Telegram. I will give the link in my description as well. You can check here. Thank you for watching our video. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.